The BASN Bmaster Triple Driver in-ear monitors offer an impressive audio experience with their advanced hybrid driver system, delivering deep bass and clear mid and treble ranges. These earphones excel in noise isolation, capable of blocking up to 37 decibels, which makes them ideal for immersive listening in noisy environments. Designed with musicians and audiophiles in mind, the Bmaster headphones come with a convenient carrying case and a variety of ear tips to ensure a perfect fit for everyone. The inclusion of two detachable 2-pin cables, one silver-plated for high-fidelity sound and another with a microphone for easy call and music control, adds versatility to these earphones. Ergonomically designed for comfort, the lightweight earphones feature memory foam ear tips and a memory ear hook to ensure they stay securely in place during extended use. With a 1-year replacement guarantee and a comprehensive package of accessories, these earphones offer great value and peace of mind for users.